Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope everybody had a good Christmas, New Year's, and all that. And got a little New Year, fireworks picture up there. But we're moving into the new year now, so we got your bright future ahead of you. This is the last week of the course, so some of you I'll see again next term. Some of you be, depending on what programs you're in. But either way, we're off to a new year here, so I do my little inspiration things about, first blank page of a 365-day book. So, write a good book. I like book analogies too because I write. I have one book written and I got other stuff I'm working on. Yeah, I don't have it there, but anyway. And one other here, another inspiration for you. Not being best, but being better than you were yesterday. So I know school. I always harp on to the students about making school something you do every day, not once a week. And the same thing is for life. You have things, and there may be things that have happened. Maybe you haven't done as well in school as you wanted to, or got into it, or other things. But that's in the past. We need to, you can't change, or dwell and just think about, the negatives. You have to, hey, if you want to use the new year as a good place to start, then here we are. So, but move ahead, and I will always say for schoolwork, you got to make it regular, everyday stuff, not because, you're supposed to be learning this stuff so that you can apply it later on down the road. And some people think, oh, I'll never use this or that. And years later, you find out, well, yeah, it comes into play somewhere along the line. Something you might have, depending on what you're doing, it'll all come into place. So anyway, so there you go. Okay, so let's get into the where are we at here? Course room. So last week, like I said, so I'll try and keep this short I can. This upcoming discussion, we talk about inferior goods. So okay, there again, and make sure you're talking about what the book and the presentations say about inferior goods. Also, we got two chapters, supply and demand, and also the other one, elasticity, yeah, that word, and supply and demand. So again, I always also harp on going through slides because it's good snapshots and gives you good brief explanations and definitions and so forth. So as you go through there, help you have a better understanding of that. So the homework, and I think yeah, you still got homework this week. So again, same as before, and all the homeworks I've seen, everybody's been doing pretty good. If you've had any issues, you know who you are, and I've sent stuff back to you so you can resubmit. So, so we haven't had any problems there. So everything's pretty much, good on that. So discussion this week, homework, and then you got your quiz and your final. So the only other thing is the evaluation. I ask people to do the evals because that's to point out if you found something wrong with the course or something that could be improved or didn't apply or any negative concern, issues or concerns or positive stuff. Either way, this is how we find out. You letting us know, and that way we're able to change them. We do change these courses as we as we move on. Someone points out something and it's okay, yeah, so we fix it. So that's how we find out, by you letting us know. So okay, so with that, enjoy this term with you. Like I said last week here, if you need anything or get in touch as always. I'll see you next week if you're in another course with me. And my last thing here is my my quiz question. Those of you, I always do the questions when I have my grandson that I babysit a lot. And, but we had another grandson 2 weeks ago, December 7th. So just let me know what's going on in this picture, and that way I know you watched the video. So, all right, everybody, have a great upcoming week here. And get in touch, and talk to you later. Take care.